Hi, I'm Johnny. You're watching A View to a Grill, and today we're doing hot dogs two ways. One with a blistered grape tomato and pickled onion topping, and the other with my fire roasted corn and black bean pico de gallo. We're going to use thin sliced bacon and get these hot dogs wrapped. We're going to cook them indirectly first. We'll go ahead and put the lid on, let that heat build up in the kettle. Right now it's pegged at 600. So on the indirect side it's probably, I don't know, 425 or so. And that's enough heat to start rendering the fat out of the bacon. If we put the bacon wrapped hot dogs directly over the coals, it'll just catch on fire and burn. So we're doing two toppings today. The first one is going to be that roasted corn pico de gallo. So I don't know if you've ever used cherubs before, but these things are great. Now for the blistered tomatoes, we're more interested in the flavor that the garlic is going to give to the oil. So we're really not concerned with how pretty our cut looks. So we're just going to rough chop it. Let's go ahead and check on those hot dogs now. All right, look at that. Nice rendering is occurring. They have a couple more minutes. So the hot dogs have been on long enough. We're just going to go ahead and take the lid off and start blistering our tomatoes. We're also going to use some pickled red onions. Now this recipe came from Drew over at What's for Dinner. If you haven't seen his channel, go check it out. Oh yeah. Yes, it is good. Let's try these blistered tomatoes. That's so good. Drew, this onion recipe rocks, dude. These tomatoes are just little bombs of sauce that go off when you take a bite of them. Now be careful, because if you use them right off the fire, it's going to be hot. Let them cool off a little bit. Well, that's how I make hot dogs at my house. How do you make them at yours? Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on A View to a Grill.